I think the first thing is to speak to him like he's a human being. You're having a conversation with him, so how would you interact with the person? Don't think about the way you would write it either, because writing is always more formal than speaking. So, for example, if I want to ask the bot, something that I'm going to learn, I'm going to ask him, so, oh, what can you teach me? It's a very direct question. It's a personal question, and it's not what are the things that I could learn with you. It's also thinking about all the possibility. Think about your classroom. How do they speak? Do they usually use a term more than another? Do they say, what can I learn? What can I study? What can I see? What can I understand? All that type of things are things that you need to think about.
It's important, I think, to have a good introduction at the beginning. When you connect on the chatbot welcomes you with with 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of text, and you have to think about this text. I think it's very important to welcome the user in a good way.
I'll suggest devote a lot of hours on testing like a student, and then try as much as possible to make the chatbot answer directly and not to redirect to external resources, like really like making it like a conversation, a friendly conversation.
The natural language engine is the technology that tries to understand what the student means, And so the more we trained it, the less the chatbot sounded like a machine.
Mm-hmm.
But as you understand, this is a process that never ends. You just got to keep training this engine, this natural language engine. So yeah, my tips are devote time and don't underestimate the custom answers.